Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Happymod and VPN app versions because mismatched builds often break handshakes. Once done, disable competing VPNs and toggle airplane mode to reset network stacks. This forces a fresh DNS and route. Then clear app cache and grant storage plus network permissions so the client can write configs. Make sure to note any error codes or screenshots. They speed troubleshooting later. This first pass eliminates common conflicts and prepares the device for deeper fixes. Now you rebuild the connection, delete the VPN profile and re-import afresh. Open or recreate the built-in profile so corrupted configs are removed. Then switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS blocks, and if UDP drops packets, switch the tunnel to TCP for reliability. Adjust MTU between 1400 and 1500 to fix fragmentation. Also verify proxy and port settings, and finish by rebooting the device to apply network changes, then run a connectivity and leak test to confirm IP and geolocation are correct. If issues persist, update or reinstall both Happymod and the VPN client, and ensure the system firewall or data saver isn't blocking background traffic. If you still fail, capture logs and test a different VPN app to isolate the problem. Then consider rolling back to a known stable APK. This step-by-step narrows causes and recovers a working tunnel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.